Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you the police cars and everything that they came with that I bought at a local sheriff's auction. I first heard of the auction online, so I started bidding, and I was originally winning about 7 police cars, but there was some odd bidder force bidding and ramping up the prices extremely high, so that only allowed my budget to win 3 vehicles. The very next day, I headed out to Lake County, California, which is about 2 hours from Sacramento. When I got there, to my surprise, the vehicles looked nothing like they did in the pictures. They were severely stripped of their goodies. Usually the radio controller and light bars are cut and the labels are removed or spray painted over, but there was nothing left. Word is that there was some sort of impersonation incidents that have been going on. Of course, there's always some idiot out there that has to ruin it for everybody. Speaking of idiots, I ran into the guy that was force bidding and ramping up the prices way out of their value, and I was like, why? He was literally like, because cop car. I never wanted to punch somebody so hard. But anyways, all the negative feelings went away when I put these cars on the road. I won a 2014 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor Sedan, a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, which I will tour and show you everything in just a bit. But first, let me show you what I'm mostly excited about. I bought this 1993 GMC Top Kick Diesel, aka the monster truck. This thing is a beast. I have no idea what purpose it served, but I shall find out. So let's get on the road and head back so I can tour and fully search the vehicles. Alright guys, let me show you my haul. I got this 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This car drives like new. It's got 124,000 miles. It just needs to be washed. This will not need to be repainted, so that is a huge plus. They took off the stickers the right way, not like some other departments that I know will literally grind this off. They actually used a proper pinstripe remover. It's got this dope whip antenna, just needs a little TLC, some clay bar, and this thing will be right back. Look at that, there goes the federal signal siren speaker. Very nice. Looks like the spotlights are missing the glass on both sides. I'll show you guys the inside here in just a bit. Let me just show you this 2014 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor. I am also very happy with the paint job, though I am still pretty upset that they removed all the equipment. I was definitely clickbaited, because this is what the car looked like on the auction site, and this is what it looks like in real life. I am very happy that the wheel-in siren speaker is still there as well. At least the brackets are there. I could just buy another push bar, but those are super expensive. They did remove the hideaway lights, which is also very depressing, and the wheel-in bulbs right there. I was really looking forward to that. And the windshield is cracked. Look at that, light bar's gone. Even the center console and partitioner's gone. I'm still happy with it. Oh, look at this, looks like a backup camera of some sort. Hey, look what just came in. What is this? Looks like a parts car. What, only 58,000 miles? Nice. Ooh, there's a brick in there. Wow, this is gonna need some work, but hey, I like a challenge. Let's start with the 2010 Crown Vic. It is missing this, but it's actually in the trunk. There was a federal signal touchmaster in here. These are actually live. They were sparking on the way over here. I can demonstrate it, but actually I shouldn't, because I might blow something out. I got everything that's missing. The ignition thing is missing, so I actually have to start it with this thing right here. Let me show you. These are my keys. It's got 127,000 miles, 2,000 idle hours, which is super good. This thing runs like a brand new car. Let's look under the hood. running smooth. It's clean, it's dirty, but clean. There's this magnetic antenna here. Let's take a look around. Came with the owner's manual, which is very rare, including the dealer tags. Ooh, look at that, $27,000 is what the Crown Vic costs brand new. Looks like some sort of speaker. Oh, nice Kenwood. I'm very bummed they took the gun rack out of there. There goes the end part to it. There's a map light here. It wants to turn on. Let's take a look in the back. Just a basic partitioner. For sure, if I remove this, there's gonna be drugs in there, because that's Lake County for you. I'll have to remove this and clear it out before I could sell it. Let me pop the trunk. See what kind of surprise is in here. You notice how it's missing the power thing? That's because everything is manual from the seats. Whoa, look at that. Was that on the car, or where did that come from?
It came from the one 2000.
Oh wow, looks nice.
Should I put it on this one?
No, this is for a Sedan. That's for a Rhino. It won't go. Look how lazy these bastards are. They rather plasma cut it off than take it off the right way. Anyways, let's move on to this car. The center caps are missing on this side, but are there on this side. So I'm gonna have to find 2 more. Okay, let's take a look inside. This car was really stripped down too. Service, GPS up here, plastic seats. For sure there's gonna be drugs in here, because look at these gaps. There's always drugs in these. I'll show you guys in the next video when I take these apart and refurbish them. Let me start this beast up and show you how sick it is. I really like that chime. I'm just weird. So it's got 137,000 miles, which is not terrible. Now let's look under the hood. All right, so Lake County is very dusty, so that's why most of these cars are super dusty. But I mean, it's clean, it's dirty, but clean. I ain't complaining. Very smooth. All right, let's take a look around over here. It is missing the glove compartment. I don't like how they cut this. These are exposed live wires. I'm gonna have to fix that. And it looks like they left some sort of notepad with the phone number. John Smith, huh? That's as basic as gonna get. I'm gonna put antennas back on this thing. Let's pop the trunk. Please be a biscuit. Just kidding. The way that these cars came, there's definitely no biscuit. These cars were super decommissioned. They made sure that they got rid of everything spare. That's always good. Anyways guys, I am gonna refurbish these and post them for sale coming up on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. All right, thank you guys for tagging along. I am about to close up the shop because it is getting dark, and once this place goes dark, that's when all the crackheads, tweakers, loyalists all come out. And yeah, you don't want to be here when that happens. But you know what, for Halloween I will probably do a don't go to Crown Vic Auto Yard at 3 a.m. video. I'm gonna film all the crazy stuff that happens here. Wish me luck on that one. All right guys, I will see you guys